Good morning. We are going to make Kozhukatta today. So all the ingredients we need are right here. So let's start. I'm going to use only half a cup rice flour because if you use a lot of rice flour, it's going to be sticky. Therefore, I am going to use suji, which is known as rava, adipodi. We have some jaggery here, which made out of palm tree, which is in Malayalam we call sharkara, a grated coconut, thenga, salt, uppe, some warm water, ചെറിയ ചൂടുവെള്ളം. I'm going to use this. First I'm going to add the half cup rice flour, 1 cup of suji, then add water into this. We don't want, the main reason I use suji because if you use only rice, it's going to be too sticky. Also, it takes a long time to cook. So when you mix this up, make sure it's not too watery. You have to make it like a dough. So this is how it's going to look. Knead it. Now it's soft enough. See, this is how it's supposed to look like. Real dough, which is made out of rice flour and suji. So I made the dough, leave it aside. Now we're going to focus on the coconut and the jaggery. I'm going to add some salt. Since I forgot to add salt to my dough, I'm going to add extra salt into the coconut, grated coconut. Then blend it all up with the jaggery. Squeeze that jaggery and make sure we get all that sweetness and saltness all together into that. Okay, so in order to make these nice steamed balls, which is Kozhukatta, you're going to flatten the dough like that. Have this flattened dough here. Into that, I'm going to use this jaggery shredded coconut mix inside a little bit. You don't want to do too much unless you like lots of sweet. Then we're going to pinch it around and close this up. Now it's closed up. Then just make a bowl like that, or you can roll it in your hands. Okay, we're gonna roll it and make a nice shape and put it aside. Now we're gonna go make the second one. Flatten the dough again. If it gets too sticky, you can wash your hands. Then scoop some more mixture and pinch it around, close it up. And that's how it looks. We don't want to break the ball, so not for now. So when you put it in the steaming pan, I have a steaming pan going here. Now I made the ball, the second ball. Second Kozhukatta is ready. So this is how you make the Kozhukatta. It looks hard, but it's not that hard. So this is a common breakfast. Finish it up. Roll it like that, or if you like, you can do it in both inside the palms. Okay. So I was able to make 11 balls. Now what we need to do is we need to steam them. So this is the steamer. We have water at the bottom. It's steaming. Now I don't want it to stick onto the pan, so I just sprayed it. Take each and every ball and leave it in here. Just check it. Since this is steam coming out, you have to be very careful, otherwise you're going to burn your hand. And after 10 minutes, it looks all right. But in order to check it, I'm going to use a toothpick because we wanted to make sure this is cooked all the way through, in and out. If it sticks, that means it's not ready. Seems this is all right, and this one is okay too. But even now, what I do is I wanted to poke a hole inside. If you do it at the beginning, it's gonna break into pieces. So that's why I let it steam for some time, then later poke hole into the steamed ball, which is Kozhukatta. So like this, you punch holes into it, allowing the steam to go inside and cook for some time. Okay, I'm going to close it with the lid again, let it cook for another 10 minutes. Then come back and I cover the vessel to cook faster. looks like it's ready after 5 minutes. Even though I said we need 10 minutes, we were supposed to only need another 5 minutes. Looks like the kozhukatta is ready once you open it. So this is how the kozhukatta looks like after steaming it all the way. Cut it open and this is how it's supposed to look. Since you don't see any white spots, you can tell that it's cooked completely. So let's cut the other one. See? Voila! We got the kozhukatta ready.